How to flip camera while recording on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to flip camera while recording on iPhone. For this video, we're going to be using a third-party application because this feature doesn't really work on the actual camera app on iPhone. So let's first go to the App Store and look up the flip camera application. So tap on flip camera there and look for this specific application with the blue icon and just tap the get button in order to download it. In my case, I already have it on my phone, so I'm just gonna tap open. And this is actually very simple to use. So as you can see, it's just like the normal camera or the actual camera app on iPhone. There's a record button at the bottom of the page in the middle. So just tap on this and you can see that it started recording. If you'd like to flip this, all you have to do is tap on this yellow flip button next to the record button and it should work. There you go. So once you are done recording, all you have to do is just stop the video and then tap the orange save button at the bottom right corner of this page. So tap on this one, confirm you want to save the video, and you should see this in your camera roll. So let's go ahead and check the video on our camera roll. We have it right here. There you go. So you can see that at this section, it actually flipped. So that's one of the things you can do to flip camera while recording. Another option is to just simply use your Instagram or Snapchat. This feature actually works for those applications as well. So let's try to make use of Instagram, for example. All you have to do is tap on your plus icon right here. And then on your story, just do the same thing. Tap on this record button and then tap on the flip button at the bottom right corner of the page. And that's it. Very simple to use. The same goes for Snapchat as well. The flip button is located at the top right corner of the page, but let me show you that. So this is my Snapchat camera, and when I long press the record button to record, there is a flip button at the top right corner of the page I can tap. So that's how easy it is to flip camera while recording on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.